So this is a recap for live stream 115, I believe. So on this recap, we can see we picked up 188,570. I've thought about coming back to trade, but I think I will give it a miss. If I do come back to trade, I'll delete this recap. But for now, this will be it. So today, came into the market. We missed due to scheduling commitments. We couldn't have been here for the open of the market. So we missed trades on RTY and YM. So the trades on RTY and YM, that would have worked. These gaps is, I don't know why these gaps are here. It's pretty much when I connected to NinjaTrader. For some reason there's some gaps in the data, but the shorts were here on NQ and not NQ, sorry, on RTY and YM. They both would have hit target. But due to the fact that I went at the charts, due to me being at my job, I wasn't able to take the trades that would have hit target. So came back, we had ES and NQ. There was a gold trade. It was a short trade, but I didn't take the short trade on gold. And the reason I didn't take a short trade on gold was after FOMC yesterday, we saw the move up, saw the breakdown below the lows here during the European session, had a rally up, take out the highs. I thought we may see a higher low again, so we break the lows, trick the shorts, then rally, take out the highs. So I thought we'd probably see an upside move continuation from the FOMC on gold, so I didn't want to take that trade. So there was a setup here to go short, had the VWAP just there as well, didn't take it. ES actually set up first, so on ES we took the short trade, pretty textbook. Our target was actually hit, so we went short as per our setup. Actually got a pretty decent entry, picked up 65 there, 65 points there on ES as our target was hit. NQ took a while to set up. I believe the reason NQ took as long as it did was we had Meta earnings yesterday, and with Meta, formerly Facebook, we had positives both on earnings and whatever the other metric is used. We had surprises both on earnings and revenue on Meta. So the tech was trying to hold itself up, but the overall market was convinced that FOMC would play a bigger part, or whatever the fundamental drivers were. So NQ went into the market, price went into my favor quite a bit. The original target was down at 212, price started coming back. You'd had to have been here to watch, you probably have to rewatch the live stream to see what the price action was like through here. It seemed to have just hit a wall of buyers. The market just seemed to be moving strongly to the upside. So convinced myself to get out rather than wait for the 212. I got out. Then I looked at the market and thought, well, if I could re-enter at a better price, I got out at 85. If I could re-enter at say 300, then I could actually trail my target, which would have been at 212 up to 27, because I've picked up a further 15 points by getting out at 85, re-shorting at 300. That's what I did, re-shorting at 300, 15 points better off. Through here, as the market chopped around a little bit, had a bit of a doubt, thought about closing the position early, decided to stick with the plan because on my worst day I've lost 205 quite recently. Decided to stick to the plan, and eventually the target was hit. The 212, of course, we could see would have been hit also, and the market sold off quite a fair bit to the downside. So after my entry, we had the market sell off a further, I think it was 80 points or so. My word, 137 points. So after my, nope, that's incorrect. That was a re-entry. Let's make sure we get this right. It wasn't 130 points. Let me just get this right. So this is where I got out at 27 essentially. These are the lows. So about 81 points. Market sold off further. It was very tempting to try and get back in or continue to remain engaged to see if I can pick up just over that 205 points. So I need to pick up about further, maybe say 20 points or so, 18 to 20 points to equal my biggest losing day. But at the same time, I'm kind of okay with the PNL where it is. It's not too bad. And the reason being, we've seen this strong selling. We've not really had pullbacks for re-entry short, either on RTY and the YM, also on the ES and NQ. So getting back in, we'll be getting in pretty aggressive. So we had a fairly strong move to the downside. I haven't had an opportunity. That I would like to get back in. I thought about coming back at 1 Eastern Standard Time, but probably just going to call it a day here. So we'll have a look at our trade performance. So we'll just generate that. So here on our trade performance, we had the 2 trades on NQ. So the early exit and the re-entry, and the 1 trade on ES, which was 65. So the NQ trades picked up about 124 or so across the board. And this is our equity curve. As we can see, we had no losing trades, picked up 188.50, 570. And if we go to the summary page, it's not really going to tell us much because we had 100% accuracy. So we're going to have a 99 profit factor, average win loss. None of this is going to really mean anything because it was all 100%. And that's where we are. So I'm just going to wrap up the day there. I would say thanks for watching. Good luck trading and have a great day.